What's up, everybody? Today is day one of the Grand Prix. This guy won't stop barking. I'm trying to film something here. Why don't you just relax? Alright, today is day one of the Grand Prix. Today is what they call Free Friday. Got my tickets. You shh. I'm trying to do a video. You can't keep barking and interrupting the video. Okay? What'd I tell you? You gotta shh. If you want to be in the video, you have to be quiet. Now come over here. Sit down. The camera's right there, so just relax, okay? Alright, so today is Free Friday, the Grand Prix. And it appears like I'm not gonna do any shooting in here because this guy won't shut the f up. Like I was trying to say before, it's Free Friday on day one of the Grand Prix. I got my ticket, no barking dog in my ear. And how it usually goes is cars go around in circles. I get bored after 2 minutes and then I start drinking. I wonder if there'll be any Corvettes here.
Guys, have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. No problem.
It might seem like we're here to see a bunch of cars go around in circles, but what I'm really here for is some free sunglasses from this place. That's what I came here for, some free Long Beach sunglasses, which I think you should go get some for me. I think you should go get me some sunglasses too. Fresh. Fresh right there, that's just fresh.
There you go.
Fresh. Wakanda forever. Alright, it's pretty quiet right now at the races, but what we're gonna do is not pay $12 for Tecates and or Coors Light. We're gonna jump on a ferry and go to Ballast Point. So as you can hear, the cars are going around and around in circles, kind of doing the same thing. We are going to continue on with drinking and drinking and drinking. Car going that quick in front of you, but I think it's time to continue the drinking part of this. Let's go to the dub.
So it's like
So I think we scored over here.
Free beer.
If you were looking for free beer, this is the place to do it.
Yeah. Here you go, look.
Don't go back up.
I mean, it's Coors Light. It's not anything good like Guinness or something like that, but right? It's free beer.
There you go.
Do it again.
One more.
Come on, man. Chug.
It's out. I think it's out anyway. Hey, you know, we had a shot. We did it. Alright, so I was just drinking out of the keg. That was cool. Now it's time to go check out some drifting. See the cars spinning around, throwing up some smoke. Let's do it. So that's it for the Grand Prix on this Friday. Now we're gonna do the most important thing of the day. Some amazing ribs at Rebel Bite. Let's go!